It's just ridiculous.
Yeah, that little trailer thing.
I like that thing. That's it.
Trailer thing.
Oh, yeah.
It's so ridiculous and cute.
Really hoping for someone to get adventurous and go into the ocean. Sweet. It's like a Cavalier, but a Toyota.
Oh, God.
Oh, this is actually pretty neat.
That thing's nice.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, it's BRZ.
Lots of things that are dragged
Oh, it's fun in the camera. The HIDs are going fucking crazy. But,
Just made it.
Jeff, you get to see the rolling.
oh, man. I hope that means Reed's coming down here.
Probably does.
Yeah. See, I saw this in Aldergrove, eh? But I didn't see the anime girls on the
my
side.
God.
I did
That's
not see the
amazing.
anime girls.
But I saw, like,
The guy driving it looks like Dustin.
yeah, it does.
It wasn't Dustin, but it looks like Dustin. That thing is sweet.
Yes.
I think we have a close to be a robot.
Oh. No. No, Dave's is like a stock.